Hey guys, welcome to another vlog. In this vlog, basically I'll be traveling to Chennai, so I'll be covering that travel. It's gonna be like a travel for like a 2 days, not more than that. So I'll try to capture as much as possible and see what can be done. Yeah. Hey guys, I just reached Chennai, the place called Pallavaram. That's around 18 kilometers from Coimbatore. The original idea was to travel to Tambaram and then take a cab to Pallavaram, which is around 5 kilometers. But then plan changed. I had to take a bus to Coimbatore. So we've reached a place called Tencent. It's basically a service apartment serviced by the Airbnb. So far, it's really good. Much better than the rooms what you get in Oyo. The basic plan right now is to meet colleagues. I mean, basically meet a few colleagues of the company that I'm currently working, and then post that have a small dinner and then come back and then have some family work tomorrow. So that's basically the plan. But yeah, before we leave, let me just give you a quick show of the accommodation that we have. All right, so this is basically the hall that you guys are looking at. So that's the TV, that's the main door, and this is the living room. So this is basically one of my colleague, Shashi. That's the dining table, and we do have a room here. So it's 1 BHK. Ignore the dress. Yes, this is one of the attached washroom. We do have a cupboard. Yes, we do have a table. And then apart from the 1 BHK room, we have the common washroom here. It's actually good. Don't know how many would prefer to look at it, but I'm just avoiding it. So this is basically the kitchen. You have a fridge, a small fridge, and then you have your different compartments. Let's see what's there in the compartments. Okay, we do have all the vessels that's needed to cook, but unfortunately I don't think so we will be using it. But yeah, great effort. That's basically it. But pretty much it's a good accommodation. The name of the place is called Tencent. They charge you at the range of 1.4 to 1.8 per night, depending on how many guests you have. So that's basically it. So yes, I'll be leaving it here and probably will catch up in the night.
Yeah, so this is the Besant Beach, one of the beaches apart from Marina Beach in Chennai. Like many others, including me, I haven't visited this beach before, so this is the first time I'm actually visiting. To say, I'm really excited.
You're actually taking a selfie when I'm recording.